Hello, this is Jamie from MessengerBot. Today I'm going to show you how you can use an email phone opt-in form builder. Be sure to subscribe to be notified of new features, tutorials, use cases and unique ways to use MessengerBot. Sign up now at messengerbot.app for a free trial. Getting subscribers through the opt-in form from an external site is very common. But the most exciting part of this add-on is the site collecting subscribers through an opt-in form. It's providing the freedom of making opt-in forms by drag and drop the fields. The form will generate an embedded URL which you can use your own site, or any site from where you want to collect email/phone subscribers into your MessengerBot application. Manage opt-in form. To use an opt-in form, first of all, you've to create the form first. So to get the opt-in form section, please go to the email phone opt-in form section on the navigation menu. Building email phone opt-in form. This opt-in form builder section will allow you to copy embedded code, build form, view form, update or edit, and delete the form in the very easiest way from the Actions section of the Form Lists table. Press on Create Opt-in Form button and a form will appear with some required information fields and drag and drop Form Builder. In the form, you'll have to fill up some required information with Form Builder options. A short description of the forms field is given here on screen. Form name. This is the form name that will only for displaying in the application's form table. Contact group. In this field, contact groups that had been created at Subscriber Manager. Contact Groups section will be shown here. This field is a required field because subscribers who will come through the opt-in form will be added as external subscribers lists. So when a new subscriber comes by opt-in form, he or she will be assigned to those contact groups which has been selected during form creation. You can select multiple groups. Subscribers will also be assigned to multiple groups. Anyway, you can also create a group from here too by click on Create Group on the right side of this field. Type the name of the new group name on Mind here. Email sequence. This field will show the email sequence campaign lists that had been created at Broadcasting, Sequence Campaign, External Contacts. This section will only be available if you've got an email, an SMS sequence campaigner, a MessengerBot add-on. However, this field is not required, you may select or not. If you select any email sequence campaign, then subscribers who come through that form will be assigned to these sequence campaigns automatically. You can see the output of what's said from Subscriber Manager, Contact Book section and click on the view icon, you'll see the assigned sequences in modal. SMS sequence. This field will show the SMS sequence campaign lists that had been created at Broadcasting, Sequence Campaign, External Contacts. This section will only be available if you've got an email, an SMS sequence campaigner, a MessengerBot add-on. However, this field is not required, you may select or not. If you select any SMS sequence campaign, then subscribers come through that form will be assigned to these sequence campaign automatically. You can see the output of what's said from Subscriber Manager, Contact Book section and click on View icon, you'll see the assigned sequences in modal. Form position. This field is a required field. Besides building a form, you will also have the facilities for selecting which display type you want to make visible on your form. Anyway, there are 3 display types which are 1. Pop-up. This type of display have 2 positions: bottom right and center. Bottom right. If you select a bottom right position, then your form will be visible at the bottom right position of the site where you put this embedded form. Center position. If you select center position, then your form will be visible at the center position of the site where you put this embedded form. 2. Fixed. If you select a fixed position, then your form will be visible at the fixed position of the site where you put this embedded form. 3. Direct URL. This is not actually a position type. It's different from the above 3 positions. If you select this position, then you'll get a URL. Through this URL, you or your user can directly access the created form. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser, and you'll see your created form. Background image. This field is optional. If you upload an image, then this image will be used as a background image of the form body. Form builder. Build your opt-in form with the beautiful drag and drop form builder. There are two sections in the builder body. One is a sidebar with draggable and droppable options at left, and another is for options field at right. Drag and drop options, as it's called, email phone opt-in form builder. Drag and drop options, as it's called, email phone opt-in form builder. Header, drag and drop header option for form header. You can choose different header types. Paragraph, drag and drop paragraph as a text field to set short information for the form. First name, drag and drop first name option to set and get the first name of the subscriber. You can make it required or not by editing the field. Last name, drag and drop last name option to set and get the last name of the subscriber. You can make it required or not by editing the field. Email, drag and drop email option to set and get the email address of the subscriber. You can make it required or not by editing the field. Phone number, drag and drop phone number option to set and get the phone number of the subscriber. You can make it required or not by editing the field. Agreement text, drag and drop this field for making the subscribers agreed with your terms and conditions, or any other agreement, so before the check, they can't submit the form. Subscriber button. After all, now the form need a submit button. So drag and drop the subscribe button and update the button name by editing the button option. You can choose different types of button color. Form examples: 1. Bottom right position. 2. Center position. 3. Fixed position. 4. Direct URL. 5. Form with background image. How to use embedded URL and direct URL after build a form. Click on the embedded from the embedded column. A modal will appear with the embedded URL. Now copy the embedded URL and then paste it into your website where you want to show this form. Note, if you copy the direct positioned URL, then you have to copy it and then paste it into your browser to get the form. Opt-in form subscribers. As they are subscribed from an external source, so they will be stored as external subscribers inside the application. You can see your opt-in form subscribers lists at the Subscriber Manager, then Contact Book section. Now you can use these subscribers for sending bulk email/SMS, or you can assign them manually to email/SMS sequence campaign.